Centipedes, with their segmented bodies and multiple legs, are intriguing creatures that fascinate and sometimes frighten us. Let's delve into the fascinating world of these leggy wonders. Centipedes are arthropods, a group that includes insects, spiders, and crustaceans. They belong to the class Calopoda, and their name comes from the Latin words centi, 100, and pede, foot. Despite the name, most centipedes have more than 100 legs. The secret to their many legs lies in their body structure. Centipedes have a pair of legs attached to each of their 15 to 17 body segments, with the first 3 segments being the most important. The first segment houses the centipede's head and the first pair of legs, while the second segment has the largest pair of legs, designed for hunting. Centipedes are predators, feeding on insects, spiders, and even smaller centipedes. They are venomous, using their long, slender legs to inject venom into their prey. The venom is powerful enough to kill their prey but is generally harmless to humans. Now, you might be wondering, how do centipedes move so fast? Their legs are jointed, allowing them to bend and straighten in rapid succession, propelling them forward at a speed that's surprisingly quick for their size. Centipedes are found worldwide, living in a variety of habitats, from rainforests to deserts. They are nocturnal creatures, hiding during the day and becoming active at night to hunt for food. Extending our understanding of centipedes, scientists have discovered that they have a unique circulatory system. Instead of a heart, they have a series of hearts called open circulatory systems in each of their body segments. These hearts pump blood through a network of tubes, delivering oxygen and nutrients where they're needed. Centipedes play crucial roles in their ecosystems, controlling insect populations and serving as food for larger predators. However, they can also be pests in homes, gardens, and farms, where they can cause harm to crops and household pets. In conclusion, centipedes are fascinating creatures, brimming with unique adaptations and surprising behaviors. From their swift movement to their complex circulatory systems, these 100-legged wonders continue to captivate and inspire us. So, the next time you encounter a centipede, remember that it's not just a creepy-crawly, it's a scientific marvel.